how to reply TikTok comment with existing video. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Then, go to your feed and open any post from here. Now, tap on the comments icon on the right side of the screen. Here you can view all the comments on this post. If you want to reply to a comment from here, then tap on Reply under that comment. Once you're here, tap on the video icon beside the text bar. You can take a photo or record a video over here. Now, go to your media at the bottom right corner. Over here, select the video you want and then tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can edit the video as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Then, tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily reply TikTok comment with existing video.